Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel beautiful AI subscription. So first thing, you need to be on the official website of beautiful.ai and logged in. Then what you want to do is click on your account profile right here and navigate to manage account section, and then here you will see the section delete my account right here down here. So I cannot but delete it because I'm a member of a team. Now first, if I want to delete accounts, I need to first delete the team subscription or ask my owner. So let's go and do that. And yeah, one more thing that we are sure that uh, no issue will be after re-deleting account. Go to the billing and here to manage plan. So if you have some plan, just cancel it before like that, and that you are in peace of mind that you will not um, pay anything else after you delete you delete um, your account. And yeah, this is where you can basically delete your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.